Small tutorial how to replace taillight on Mercedes CLK 208. Let's open the trunk, and here behind this liner we have access to the taillight. Now let's remove this bulb holder by squeezing this in. It will come off, and then we need to undo these 5 bolts. After all bolts are removed, try to push it from the inside out. If it doesn't work, try to use this trim removal tool and wiggle it out slowly. It was very easy to remove this taillight. If you get a new part, just follow the steps backwards and you will install it correctly without any problems. Thanks for watching, subscribe if not already.